Good morning, Global Studies students. Let's go through our weekly checklist here. May 5th through the 12th. All right, so here we go. Today, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to be watching and starting your research for your child labor country. So today, you are going to start by watching the introductory video, all right, that is in the child labor folder. Okay. It explains what you're researching in terms of the country. It tells you how to. It also shows you the note sheet you're going to be using. All right. So the note sheet is there that is provided. You are assigned a country to study, and I have that list in that folder. Friday is your Asia map quiz. On this map quiz, you only can use your map. You may not use your task sheet. We're going to continue after that with your research. Monday, we are going to start looking at the child labor infographic assignment. All right. You are going to need to follow the instructions for this assignment. Everything is on there that is laid out step by step of what website to use, how to use it. So you need to make sure you start working on that. And then Tuesday, we'll work on the infographic as well. It's your last dedicated class time to do so. And then, of course, you'll have next Wednesday as your catch up day. A wonderful week, and let's do well. This is going to be a good assignment. I think you're going to learn a lot. So let's put some time and some effort into this week. Thank you.